A very good morning, my dear students. We are doing simple equations. Now, what is an equation? Equation is nothing but equality of two mathematical statements. Clear? So, we have already finished two exercises. I'll just make a small recap on this. In the first exercise, what we did, we tried to find out whether the equation, both the sides, LHS and RHS, are equal or not by substituting the values in place of variable. Clear? Then also we did, after that we did how to get the value of variables. Clear? We also studied how to convert equation or how to translate an equation to a mathematical statement, or the other way, how to convert mathematical statement to an equation. All this we did. We also did how to find out the values of a variables. All these things we did in our last classes. Clear? So we finished all this. Today what I'll be doing, I won't be taking much on this. So today what I'll be doing, I'll just write all these things once again, okay, as objectives. So by now you must have understood very well what is the equation, and you also understood very well what is how to solve an equation, how to get the variable, how to convert an equation to a mathematical statement, or how to translate a mathematical statement to an equation. Clear? And a mathematical equation to a mathematical statement. So all this thing we did. So today I have done some objectives. I'll be giving the objectives on this. The objectives are: what is a simple equation? Simple equation nothing but equality of two mathematical statements. The first objective could be to understand the difference between constant and variable. Correct? The second objective could be how to substitute the values in place of variables. The third objective could be how to add and subtract the like terms, unlike terms, or the, you can say, algebraic expressions. The fourth objective could be how to translate a mathematical statement to an equation. Let me say a mathematical equation. Or the fifth objective would be how to convert an equation to a mathematical statement. So all these objectives are given in this simple equation. Today I will just focus on this, only this much, and you do the exercise nicely. If some of you have not done the homework, please do it and send it to me. Clear? So focus on the objective, see the exercise whether you are able to do or not. Okay? And do let me know in case of any problem. Okay, my dear students. Let me start with this simple equations. Okay, as I told you that today I'll be discussing mainly on objectives. So let me once again revise this. So what is a simple equation? Equality of two mathematical statement is called equation. For example, x plus 3 is equal to 2, y minus 1 is equal to minus 3, z plus 6 is equal to 0. These all are mathematical statement where we are using is equal to sign. See here, is equal to sign, is equal to sign. So these are called equations. Now this is a variable and this is a constant. Okay, I can write 2x here also, no problem. This is same thing. This is a variable, this is a variable, and this is a constant. So whenever we have two expressions, algebraic expression using equal to sign, this equal to sign, it is called an equation. Clear? Now let's see the objectives. I mean to say what we did all these days. We understood the difference between variables and constant. Now this is a variable and this is a constant. We understood how to substitute the values in for variables. Okay, for example, suppose if I take this y minus 1 is equal to minus 3. Now the question is, for what value of y you will get minus 3 here? Answer is very simple. If you write minus 2 minus 1 will give me minus 3. So in this case y equal to minus 2. Okay, Now the third point, how to add and subtract equations by combining like terms. Clear? By combining like terms in the sense, for example, if I take this one, let me take the same example. I can bring this -1 to this side. So if I bring -1 to the other side, it will become plus, so it will become -2. So these are where combining constants. Similarly, if I bring this 2x to this side, it will become -2x. So x minus 2x, that is the variables, but here constants. So that is what, how to add and subtract. Fourth, translate word problems into algebraic expression and equation. For example, if the statement is like this, sum of x and 4 is 8. It means what? Sum of x and 4 is 8. That means the equation will be x plus 4 is equal to 8. X plus 4 is equal to 8. This is the equation. Okay, I have translated a statement, a mathematical statement, to an equation. Now this is the opposite. Fifth point is the opposite of this. Here, suppose the equation is given like this, x minus 7 is equal to 2. Here, translate algebraic expression and equation into mathematical statements. It means this is the algebraic expression here using equations. We have to convert a mathematical statement. How we will convert? We can write 7 is subtracted from x and we get 2. I repeat, 7 is subtracted from x and we get 2. So this is a mathematical statement. Clear? Now all these things we have done. All these things we have done in our previous exercise. How to convert, all the examples. We have taken so many examples on this. We have done all this. So please go through it once again. And again, if you have any problem, do let me know. Okay.